Hello traders, welcome to the new video. It's officially day 12 of using 50,000 capital for 50 trading days. So let's start ahead with today's video. In the early morning session, we saw Nifty opened almost gap up by around 10-15 points and Nifty went on to till 19,843. So initially, in the beginning, what I did is I entered with today's expiry 19,850 around 500 quantities, and along with that I re-entered again 90,850 at a higher price of around 40.9 rupees. So average it is I don't remember the average price. It was around maybe 40.2 or something. So initially I saw Nifty was trying to take over here. Let me move in 1 minute time frame. It will be much easier to understand. Here if you see, this is today's candle wherein we saw the Nifty was making a volatile move in the initial stages at this point. I was thinking that it will break at this point, but it was sustaining and there was a bounce. So hence what I did is I trailed my SL over here. I was not sure that it will be Nifty was trying to hold up, as even though the we had a TCS negative results, but Nifty was holding. So hence I trailed my SL over to the 48. However, if I move to the option of this, the chart of this option, let me go here. Second. So in the initial stage, like if I see here, the low was around 19,000. Uh, when the Nifty was around 90,000, was 840 around odd level. So the low was around 38 rupees. So this I went on to the almost of high around 100 rupees. So I was not able to capture the exact trade, but I was anticipated the trade exact correctly, but I trailed it. However, Nifty was taking kind of sideways zone in the initial couple of minutes. So I was able to make from this trade around, like, if I move to the position over here, I was able to make around like 19,850 put around. With today's expiry, I was able to make around 1,500 rupees from that trade. So however, then I again, at the in the afternoon, what I did is I entered in with like a hero zero expiry trade with 19,800 PE today's expiry. I bought around 500 quantities at an average price of 5 6 rupees. So this option price also went on to, because if I move to the Nifty, we had like very sideways momentum. I'll move to 5 minutes time frame. So in the afternoon session over here, if you see, the Nifty was trying to trade around like 90,800 to 90,020 odd levels. So I thought of like Nifty would break down. Anyhow, the premium was very less, around 6 rupees. So I thought of the Nifty will give a slight momentum in the on the downward side, but the premium went on to the maximum of 10 rupees. The premium went to the exact high of 10.1 rupees. So, however, I trailed the SL to 8 rupees, making, from this, the capital that I invested for this trade was around like 3,000 rupees, around exactly 3,000 rupees with this trade. Uh, 3k, and I was able to, when I'll move to the positions over here. So with this trade I was able to make around 90,800 p. I made around 1,000 rupees from this trade. However, the capital I used is around 6k, and the initial trade that I took in the early morning was around, like, if I calculate exactly the capital that required for this 800 quantities into 40 rupees, I will take it as an average price 40.5. Also, do I use the maximum, the capital that I used around was 32,000 initially. So the trades were that very quick, and the first trade was the good one, but my stop loss got triggered, so hence I was not able to capture the entire move. However, this moved to 100 rupees. So with the 800 quantities, I would have made handsome money with this trade, but the trailing I trailed the stop loss. My stop loss was very strict, hence I was able to make around with this today's for the day 12. I was able to make around, if I calculate here, 1,000 with this hero zero trade kind of thing. With and the other trade early morning that I took around, I was able to make around 2.5k from this today's trade. So that's it for the videos. Thank you for watching, and hope see you in the next video. Bye.